Oh, hello everybody. Today I'll be opening up two Pokemon TCG packs. One Breakthrough and one Fates Collide. I'm going to open up Fates Collide first. Mega Alakazam. On the cover. I hurt my finger, so it's not easy to open these things up. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There is a Snubbull, Seal, Bronzor, Cottony, Burmy, Power Memory, Old Aerodactyl, Ultra Ball, and a reversal rare Moltres. That's a good card. And a regular rare Exploud, but this is awesome. Next pack, that's the first time in like 4 weeks that I haven't gotten a ultra rare in my first pack that I opened, so it's not a very good sign, but you know, still the 2 rares in 1 pack is pretty good. I think it's because I got Fates Collide and not Steam Siege. Alright, there's Fennekin, Pantrum, Meowth, Sandshrew, Swinub, Floatstone, Magneton, Giovanni's Scheme, Zora, and Hollow Magnezone. So pretty good pulls. 3 rares, regular rare Exploud, a reversal rare Moltres, which just looks sick, and then a Hollow Magnezone. Well, hope you like it. Bye.